Hey guys, good afternoon. Good afternoon guys. May bago akong guys. Ito guys. Yan. Gold guys. Sakto yung taas guys. Sakto yung katawan. Guys, galing pa to ng Basilan guys. Farm. Yan siya guys. Wapo rin guys oh. Isang gold na parang hini. Ganda guys. Pulang-pula yung mukha. Oh, yung mata na nililisik. Yan guys. Ito naman yung ibibreed ko guys. Try ko lang. Thank you.